Hey guys, I'm Shubham, UX designer at Symentix. On this channel, I'm going to tell you some tips, tricks, and tutorials of designing. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can export high resolution free images in Figma without searching on any browser. So if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. First of all, you have to right click and just go to plugins and go find more plugins. Now you have to search here Unsplash. Unsplash and just run it. Now you can look that there is a new panel is coming of Unsplash. You have to search your image type here. Like I'm just click on this technologies, it's giving in suggestions. You have to just drag and drop the image and now you're getting the high resolution image in free. Like you can check the size of this image is 1920 pixels and 1280 height. It's really a good pixels. If you like this video, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.